Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Welcome to my channel guys, and then in this video tutorial, I will teach you guys on how to create a very simple bash shell program that will ask the user name, and then our program will greet our user using born again shell in macOS terminal window. Before we start with our tutorial video, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. Or you are new with my channel, please hit the notification bell so that you will be notified my newly uploaded video. Share this video to social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, among others. And very important, to support my channel, I am asking you guys to click the subscribe button. So, let's start. Right now, we are here in Nano text editor. So we have here the first line is the file name of our program, greet.sh shell. Author, yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. So I have 2 master's degree in Master in Education, major in Instructional Technology, and recently I received also my Master in Information Technology. The date of recording will be September 6, 2020, Sunday here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. If you have some question, you can send me an email at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. So, place, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So, first command here, this one, until this one, the sharp is comment. So it will be ignored by our bash interpreter. So to clear the screen, we have here printf, 2 \n or new line. And then we have here printf \t or horizontal escape sequence character in Z. Greet a person in bash. This will be the title of our program. Next line will be printf \2 new line or escape sequence in C, and then printf asking the user what is your name ? And then we have here read to accept the input username using user underscore name as our variable, and then printf \n new line, and then printf to display \t horizontal tab for text formatting hello $user underscore name dot how are you. And then we have here to new line printf, and then printf end of program that inform the user that the program is already be done, and then printf to new line. What is good about bash or born again shell is that some of the commands are somewhat similar to C programming language. So you can leverage your existing knowledge in C programming in bash. So after we have done the explaining the code, the next step that I will do is to save our work by pressing Ctrl O in Mac to save and Ctrl X to exit in our Nano text editor. So when we run, we can issue this command sh greet.sh. Press the return key. So it will clear the screen. We have here the title, greet a person in bash. What is your name? Let's say the name of my son is Jacob Samuel Pomperada. Press the enter key. Hello, Jacob Samuel Pomperada, period. How are you today? End of program. It is run again the program second time around. By this time, our example is the name of my daughter, Juliana Ray Pomperada. What is your name? Hello, Juliana Ray Pomperada. How are you today? End of program. Okay, let us run again. By this time, the name of my wife, Maria Junali Pomperada. Hello, Maria Junali Pomperada. How are you today? End of program. Let us go back to our Nano text editor. So this is the end of our tutorial video, guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video on how to greet a person using born again shell or bash in macOS of terminal window. This command bash shell is compatible also or the same in Linux or Unix operating system because macOS is based also with Unix operating system. So there is compatibility. So all the commands that I'm writing or creating is the same throughout Linux, Unix, or Mac OS as long it is a bash shell command or scripting command. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Says until to the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.